What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. What is a charge card? A charge card is defined as a card that charges no interest but requires the user to pay his/her balance in full upon receipt of the statement. You typically need a good to excellent credit rating to obtain a charge card, and using it responsibly can help burnish your credit history. The following is a summary of a charge card's main characteristics. You are expected to pay the balance in full on the monthly payment date. There is no interest rate with a charge card, although annual fees and late charges apply. There is no credit limit on a charge card, but that doesn't give you unlimited spending. Since there are no credit limits, charge card balances are not included in your credit utilization percentage and therefore don't affect your credit score unless you fail to make timely payments. On-time payments are an important component in maintaining a healthy credit score. As mentioned, charge cards don't extend credit beyond the monthly payment date and have no credit limit. Credit cards, by contrast, allow you to pay off your balance over many months, although you'll have to pay interest on the unpaid amounts. Credit cards have a preset credit limit, and will decline purchases and/or apply penalty fees if you exceed the limit. Debit cards are tied to your checking account, and will trigger overdraft charges or rejected transactions if you spend more than your balance. Prepaid cards link to cash accounts, and much like gift cards, only allow spending up to the amount credited to the card. Credit cards offer certain benefits not available with charge cards. They allow you to space out your payments over a number of months, can be obtained by folks with credit scores less than good, and generally offer a wider variety of targeted rewards for air miles, cashback, balance transfers, and business rewards. If you're looking for payment flexibility, the ability to earn rewards in specific categories, and no annual fee, a credit card is the way to go. Charge cards offer a convenient way for consumers with good or excellent credit scores to pay for purchases without using cash or checks. They have high annual fees, but you don't have to worry about interest since you have to pay the balance each month. Of course, this means charge cards aren't for everyone. Credit cards, on the other hand, offer convenient financing, have lower annual fees, and offer more targeted rewards programs. If the idea of being responsible for paying your balance off each month makes you nervous, a traditional credit card may be the better option. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.